the Independence Public Library tutorial on how to reserve items using our digital library. To get to the website, type in Independence Public Library, and then click the link. Once you get to the page, scroll down and click My Account. Then at the right-hand corner, put in your card number, and then below it, put in your phone number, and click Login. Then at the left-hand corner, you can search. For our more advanced options, for an example, if you wanted a video recording, you can click Title Starts with Phrase, and go down and click Medium. And right where Book popped up, you can click it and go down to Video Recording, and right above it, search what you want, and then click Search. Once you get to the page, you can click what you want and hit Reserve this item, place Reserve. And if you want to make sure that it reserved, go back up to My Account and click Reserves/Requests. And there it is. As always, if you have any questions, please feel free to contact the library.